Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So, to be honest, we've got two different ways to block a number. We can do it by using our contacts, so we can block a number which we've got currently saved, or we can do it by entering the number manually in a special section, and of course I'll show you both options. So let's start with tapping on the dialer, because all of the actions will appear here, and let's begin with the contacts. So let me block the contact. We have to tap on the contact we would like to block and tap on the three dots icon here. Tap on block numbers, and as you can see, your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. So it's up to you, of course. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option and tap on block. And as you can see, here we've got this characteristic icon and the text that this number has been blocked. Of course, you can unblock it just the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist, because right now in the second way we are entering the blacklist. In order to do that, it doesn't really matter if we will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now let's tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see right here, we've got our blacklist. That's the number we just blocked from our contacts, of course. So everything went fine, the option worked. And as I said, in this way you can add a number manually. So just tap on add a number, and as you can see here, you can enter it, so you do not have to have it saved. Tap on block and it will also appear on the blacklist. What's more, here we've got this unknown option, and you can turn it on or off just by tapping on the switcher. And basically your device right now is allowed to block the calls from all unidentified callers, so you will not be disturbed for sure. Of course, you can turn it off also, and if you'd like to unblock the numbers, just tap on those X buttons right here. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to block a number in your Xiaomi 13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.